Before we get any further, let's talk briefly about the window styles. Go to Window, Styles, and go ahead and let's click on Simple Style, and let's go to Edit. Here we can see that the default profile for Simple Style is set at 2. I'm going to go ahead and change this to 1. And there we see that it changed our profile lines to just 1, and it's a lot cleaner, a lot easier to pick your lines and endpoints. So I like to keep it like that, just so it's easier for me to view my model, and I'm not confused as to if I'm actually selecting an endpoint or just something else. So that's just a personal preference. Here's another setting we can adjust. Here is the endpoints. Go ahead and click on that. Right now it's set to 9. That's a little bit much, and there you can see how it just makes your drawing look a little distorted there. And I'm going to change this to 2. And here we can see that it creates a little node on our endpoints. And let's say if I draw a line here at 2 feet, let me escape, and there you can see it created a little node. So if I want to snap to that point, I will know that I'm hitting that endpoint there. So that's a useful setting there that we can have. I'm going to go ahead and leave it off for now. If I need to turn it on, I'll go back and change that. So let's go ahead and work in our model in that setting. And later on, we'll go through a little bit more of the styles and adjusting these, and also creating a new style. We can just click Create New, and then we will have that style available to select. All right, let's go ahead and close that. Now let's also open up our View tab. Let's go to Toolbars, and let's click Layers. And here we have our Layer tool. And let's go ahead and dock this over here. Here we can toggle the layer manager on and off, and we can actually turn layers or make them active. So we want to pay attention to which layers we are drawing in order to keep our drawing organized. Now let's go over managing our layers. In Layer Manager, let's click Add Layer. Here it allows us to rename our layer, or we can just hit enter and accept the default name. I went ahead and clicked enter. Here we can toggle the layer on or off. We can also set this layer active by clicking here. Let's go ahead and draw a rectangle. Now I can delete this layer, and it will give me a couple options to move the contents of that layer to the default layer, or delete the layer and the contents. Let's go ahead and click OK. There we have deleted the layer and its contents. Let's go ahead and let's add 3 layers. Click enter. Now, if we have layers where we have no information on, and we just want to clean up our layer manager here, I can actually purge those layers by clicking here and clicking purge, and if there's nothing on those layers, they will be removed. So there's a quick way to clean up your layers and just only have the layers that you need in your drawing.